Sigma here doing a loadout video. This is what I call my high speed, low drag loadout. It's not really that really complicated. It's just the bare essentials I need for a game. It's used mainly in commercial fields where I've got time to reload, rehydrate, take care of fog, whatever, you know. This is more of an arcade style versus milsim, which in my opinion is more fun. Do a little more run and gun. We'll start off at the top. Got a cheap replica helmet just to stop BBs from hitting my bald head. The lighter the better. You know, I don't need 30 pounds of gear on my head weighing me down. Full face mask, gotta have that. Especially, you know, in those CQB environments, getting shot in the face is no fun. The gun, stock PWS Diablo, attached to a 1-point Condor bungee sling. I also got this strap pad from Timbuktu, 15 bucks, real nice. Helps, you know, give a little support. Got the Condor hard knuckle gloves. On my left side, I got a triple pouch, M4, and mounted into it, I got a gun pouch. Right side, got my sidearm, KWA Mark IV, 1911, and a spare mag. On my back, I got a utility pouch. Nothing special. I just keep like maybe my dead rag, maybe keep my gloves in there or something, maybe cell phone, and then I got knee pads. All in all, I mean, it's a simple setup, no biggie, and we'll be doing some reloads. Show you how all of this comes together. I'm not that fast, but whatever, get an idea. As you can see, I got tripped up, but